I know you might be asking, then how do I introduce the sounds of the letters to my child? I believe in most of the Montessori principles because I've tested it, and I think it's the best approach because it focuses on development. Yeah, it has nothing to do with syllables where you must rush or try to appreciate what the syllabus is saying, that is going according to the syllabus, whether the child has really understood what you taught or not. But Montessori is that if the child is not able to understand, you need to repeat it again, and that is development. Yeah, so there is something called 3-period lesson. This 3-period lesson that I'm saying is what? The lesson has been divided into 3 stages. We have the first stage, that is naming. The second stage is recognition and association. And the third stage is what? Recall. Yeah. So these 3 stages helps you to present lesson to a child. And this will help you to know that truly if the child has really or the child really understood or absorbed whatever you taught him or her. Let's assume these cards, Kendra was able to name all these cards, with the exception of Kendra was able to name or recognize all these cards. So Kendra knows or can identify these cards or sounds. She doesn't know these 3. These 3 Kendra doesn't know. Okay. And whether it is 4, 5, 10 cards that your child doesn't know or not familiar with, you just pick 3 from the 10 cards that your child is not familiar with. Good. Because in Montessori, there's nothing like rushing. You just focus on the development of the child. So if you pick 3, it's okay. Tomorrow you can continue with another 3 sets of cards, because a child must not sit more than 20 minutes based on this certain position. It's a bit tedious. Yeah. So good. The first step is naming. Okay, or the first period is naming. So you arrange the cards, or you introduce the name of the cards to the child slowly. Now let's put this one here. So can you go? Go. Ah. Okay. You go over again. This is naming. G. Ah. T. Very good. So this is the naming. That is the first period. Now let's go to the second period. Recognition and association. Okay. Kenny, can you show me G? Very good. Can you show me T? Can you flip A? Very good. So the child can recognize. That is the recognition and association. The child can recognize the names of the sounds. Okay, or the sounds of the letters. The child can recognize the sounds of the letters. Very good. Okay, now she knows. Very good. Okay, Kenny, look here. What sound is this?
G.
What sound is this?
A.
What sound is this? Very good. Very good. So she can recognize. So now I can move on to the third stage. That is recalling. Now the third stage, it's similar to the recognition, but this time round I'll emphasize, or I'll chip in more with what? Instructions. I will chip in, or I will add instructions to the second what? Step, that is recognition. Kenny, can you please put a here? Very good. So you see, I instructed her to put the card elsewhere. Kenny, could you please turn the sound G?
G.
Very good. Can you put T in your palm? Can you put T in your palm? Can you show me your palm? Palm. Very good. Put the T, the sound T in your palm. Put it in your palm. The sound T. What is the sound T? Put it in your palm. Okay, put it in my palm. Very good. She understands, just that she don't want to put it in her palm. So, Kenny, could you please close your eyes? Oh, Kenny, whoop. Open your eyes. What is this sound?
G.
G. How about this? T. Can you find this one? What is that? Can you guess what sound? Ah. Very good. So that is recalling. Very good. Okay. Kenny, don't blow this. Very good. Okay, Kenny. G. Put G here. Put the tissue on A. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Put T on the tissue. Very good. So the third part, that is recalling, goes with what? Instructions. And here we try to be polite. You could see that I was using please, could you please, because that is the language I want Kendra to use. Whenever she will be instructing me to do something for her. Okay. So I chip in with what? The please, could you please? So definitely she will pick it from me. So when we are instructing someone, we try to be polite. That is why I used please, could you please? Yeah. Whenever you want your child, however you want your child to behave, you try to infuse that behavior or attitude into whatever you practice with a child. Yeah, that will help a lot. Very good.